Hey young scientists, have you ever wondered what's inside your body that keeps you alive? Today, we're going to explore your amazing organs and what they do. Let's dive in. What are organs? Your body has many organs. Each organ has a special job to keep you alive and healthy. For example, your heart pumps blood, your lungs help you breathe, and your stomach digests your food. Fun facts: your body is about 60% water, and it's all inside tiny packages called cells. Did you know your skin is the largest organ in your body? Yes, it's right, skin is the largest organ in the body, weighing 12 to 16% of our total weight. Skin of our body is the protection and is constantly renewing itself. Your skin sheds 50,000 cells every minute. Over a lifetime, that piles up to 40 pounds, 18.1 kilograms of the skin. Doctors have special names for organs. For example, your kidneys are part of the renal system. That word comes from Latin. Size comparisons. Your heart is about the size of a grapefruit, and your liver is as big as an A4 sheet of paper. Here's something curious: why do we have an appendix when it doesn't do much? Scientists are still figuring it out. The appendix's exact function is still unclear, but it's thought to potentially serve as a reservoir for beneficial gut bacteria, supporting the immune system. The appendix is usually removed appendectomy when it becomes inflamed appendicitis, causing severe abdominal pain, nausea, and potentially life-threatening complications if left untreated. Surgery is done to prevent rupture and infection. What is the job of the heart? The heart pumps blood around the body. Why is the skin called the largest organ? Because it covers the whole body and protects all the other organs. Compare the heart and the stomach. How are their jobs different? The heart pumps blood, while the stomach digests food. Both are important but do very different jobs. If the liver helps remove harmful materials from the blood, what might happen if it stops working? Harmful materials could stay in the blood, making a person sick. Do you think the appendix is useful or not? Why? Some scientists think it was useful in the past for digestion, but today it doesn't have an important job. So many people live healthy lives without it. Your body is like a busy city with organs as workers doing important jobs every second. Like, share, and subscribe for more cool science facts. Stay with us and explore more about your body's organs.